How to add status in Ludo King. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you're looking for a way to add a status in Ludo King, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Ludo King game on your device. Once you're inside the home page of Ludo King, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now it will open up this statistics page. Go ahead and tap on Add Your Status. Enter your status in the text box on the next page. You can also select the status from the bottom recommended status list or type your own. Now click on Save and you have successfully added status in your profile. Your Ludo King status is now saved and updated. Friends can now see your updated while you play and compete. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.